Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you my experience with the mission 5. Okay, so first of all, I wish all of you is always well. So in this video I will share my experience on mission 5. Okay, and what its benefit to you. Maybe you need something like this to become a consistently profitable trader. So this is the realistic way how to become the consistently profitable trader, okay, that I can found as long as my journey on trading. Okay, so first of all, this is the result of the mission 5. Week 1 we got 57% of profit power and loss power absolutely below. Okay, so this is a good start. Okay, good start. Week 2 we got profit power is a little bit better, which is 77%. This is very good. Okay, and here, because the accumulation from the 31 go to the 37. Okay, and then the week 3 we got 64%, a little bit better. Okay, it's good, I mean. And then the week 4 we got lost, so this is the bad week. Okay, we lose in the week 4. Okay, and this is the record. Okay, so the loss power is better, is greater, which is 54%. That is not good. Okay, and then come to the week 5 we got again 57%, and this is good, but yeah, it's like balance. Okay, and then week 6, the last week, we got 60%. This is good. Okay, so at the end, our mission 5, it was come to the amount of $41.67 from the $30, which is from $30, that was the 38% profit, and that's very huge in comparison of any kind of percentage of financial instrument. Okay, and that is the experience. Okay, so I'm not going detail about every trade here. I'm just will go in general. I record every trade that I make from week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, every trade every week consists of 5, but the trade sometimes is 2, sometimes is 3. Okay, because that is based on the previous experience that I will share to you the tips. Okay, how to get this kind of result. Okay, first of all, this is the tips. This is the core of the tips. It's come from the word consistency. Consistently profitable trader. We have to be consistent. Okay, that is the first rule. What I'm doing here is every day I'm doing only 3 trade in the rule. Okay, that is the rule. But along with the journey, I find that if I profit twice, I'm not need to do the last third trade. Okay, why? Because it's related to psychological perfection. That is, I found from the previous mission that every time I'm doing two profit trade, the last trade could be loss. Okay, it's most of the time, and that is why the tips number 1, don't do a perfection trade. You can set a rule like 3. Okay, I will do 3, but if you profit 2, you get enough. Okay, it's also will apply for the loss trade. If you lost through 2 trade, don't do the third one. Okay, but sometimes we forget, guys. Sometimes we forget. Here I remember to trade, not do trade. Okay, if you first is profit, the second is loss, you can still do the third because it's like still in the 50-50. Okay, and that is the rule for the trade itself. The trade has to be consistent. The amount of you are using is based on the stage. Okay, so here is I give the example of $1, so there is no change of the amount in the entire mission. Okay, in the 30 days of trade. Okay, that is the first. Okay, and then the tips of the duration. The duration is very crucial also because it's related to psychological, because the long we wait, the harder the decision will be made. Okay, that is the important thing. So the maximum time that you can do is 20 minutes. More than that you avoid, you go out and don't look for the chart. Okay, because it's just the blank looking. You're not looking anything, you're not even thinking, you're just imagining, just expecting something to happen. Okay, so that is the first lesson from this mission. Second lesson, the first is consistency, the second is duration, to minimize the energy and the time, because we don't need wasting the time. Because I have the experience that if I'm waiting for 1 hour for one trade, it doesn't matter, it could be lost also. Okay, so why we wait so long? Okay, in this case I'm doing M1, I'm doing M1, but that is because I want some dynamic of the price action. Okay, if I'm waiting for 1 day, so it's not really matter, because it's not in it's not in tune with what I'm what my skill. Okay, what I'm thinking, because I need to have that, I need to have that, so this could happen. Okay, something like that. Okay, the duration, the time. Okay, and also the important is was the record. Okay, so you record every trade, you screenshot, like I'm doing here. I'm doing screenshot of all of my trade in every mission. Okay, and the notes. Okay, here the notes I'm not completed yet. Okay, just the note for the operation, like buy or sell, profit or loss. Okay, but we should have some kind of good trade or bad trade. Okay, the probability, because in here we know that we are in the 50-50, that is not good condition. Okay, so we train our subconscious to not doing that. Okay, that is the third. Record everything, consistency, flexible duration, or what it call, it's like not significant, it's like efficient duration. Okay, efficiency in duration, don't too long, don't too short. Okay, just around 15 and 20 minutes. It's based on science actually, but I'm not talk much about that. Okay, that is the realistic way how to become a consistently profitable trader. Okay, so every week you profit, but here 1 week I'm not. Okay, I'm still lost, I'm still have a bad week here, which is my profit power, it's 46%, which is I'm only profit 6 of 13 trades that I'm doing. Okay, so I'm sorry, what is this? Okay, so from this all of my mission, what is the plan for the next? Okay, now I'm on the mission 6. Okay, mission 6 with the real account, and here is my plan. Okay, this is here my plan. So I'm still in the stage 1. So the first goal or target is not to blow the account. Okay, and it could be not lost. Okay, so that is already done for me. Okay, so now I will go to the stage 1. Here the stage 1, and from the stage 1 we have to go into stage 2. So if we are in the stage 2, we can change the amount into the second dollar. Okay, $2. Here I'm still in here. Okay, and the next, look at this, If this was planned, it was correct. This is so exponential. Okay, this is so exponential. Imagine you are in the stage 2. You are already consistency profitable in this kind of stage. Okay, but you have to start consistency profitable trader from the stage 1. It's mean that the small thing you do will affect the bigger thing you do. Okay, that is my plan. Here is like this is just the plan that I will execute. Okay, so I'm not take the detail here. Anyway, this is the important thing. Look at this now. Every stage is connected to every initial money that we put into the trade. Okay, if you are in the stage 3, you can do this, because from this you are already risking 3%, okay, of the capital from the $30. And then in the 60, you can also still risking $2, 3%, which is $2. Okay, this is will be grown exponential if the plan is not broken. It's like we do something stupid, we do blowing the count, we do over trading, revenge trading. No, okay, it has to be like this. It has to be consistent. Okay, every day 3 trades. The risk is there. We already experiencing. I'm already experiencing this. So the 3% has to be consistent. It has to be fixed. Okay, this it will change based on the stage. If this going well, we change. Okay, if this was not well, we not change. Okay, that is the mission. Okay everyone, so that was I want to share with you with mission 5. I'm not going detail to the technical analysis because I think it's done for me doing that kind of stuff. I think it's now important is the tips, and I'm focused on myself doing that. Okay, doing the technical analysis. Okay, for you guys, I'm also finishing something here, which is my my account, a Patreon account. You can go here, but this is the new. So all my daily trade will be explained here for $5, or you can buy my basic foundation ebook for $45. And the important thing here was my advanced ebook for the $60. Okay, this advanced ebook is contain I think all of the technical analysis that is happening out there. Okay, from the candlestick pattern, you don't need to know so much candlestick pattern. That is my tips. Okay, it's only 6 candlestick pattern that is very crucial, or at least your eyes can spot. Okay, because else it's like a doji. Okay, that was the morning star, engulfing, dark cloud cover, piercing. Okay, and the hammer, bearish hammer, bullish hammer. Okay, inverted bullish hammer, something like that. Only that happen in the market. Okay, and if you go in the time frame of 1 minute, even 5 minutes, it's very often happen. Okay, and even with the candlestick mat, you can find just directly. Okay, you need to you don't need to wait for the engulfing to happen, because you can spot the engulfing in 10 minutes, in 5 minutes. So you don't need to happen. Okay, because price action is the same thing. If that was the engulfing, then it has to behave like engulfing. Either it's not working or working. Okay, and then this is something that I think invention of myself, which is the RVBL is basically is there. Okay, it's like reversal, but I have another perspective to read this kind of RVBL, because we can read RVBL in 1 minute. Okay, we can read. Who thinks that the reversal only happen in 15 minutes, 1 hour? No, reversal happen also on 1 minute. when it was a consolidation, because RVBL reversal is a technical analysis for the consolidation, which is ranging market. Okay, and also this is important thing was the topic 6. I think in the closing price is already so much people talking about the closing price, but I'm also covering all of the closing price, close below the level, at the level, and above the level. Doji buying pressure, selling pressure, entry point. No, this is the important thing also to observing the market. Space bump that related to rejection. Some people is talking about rejection. No, in the market it's always happen space bump to reject or to break. Okay, something like that. It's not happen in one side. It always in the two side, or even in the neutral way. Okay, the stall ratio interaction. This is most of the people is not talking about. Maybe you cannot find it elsewhere. I don't know. Respected level and unrespected level. The axis. This is not so many people talking about the axis. Even the master of the candlestick, I not hear the axis from him, but I'm discovering myself the axis is there. And this axis is very related into the higher time frame. For example, you get the 50 EMA, but in the higher time frame, those spot of the 50 EMA nearby below is also 200 EMA. For example, in the 30 minutes, that was nearby the 200 EMA. From the 5 minutes 50 EMA, the 50 EMA will be not become the support level, because the price will get pushed down by the bigger time frame. Okay, so that is why the axis. I told you now here the tips for the axis. The axis is very related to consolidation. Okay, to the reversal technical analysis, you need the axis. Even with the trend, you need the axis, because you need what? The axis was not there. That means the trend happened. When the axis was there, it was consolidation, and you have to work with the engulfing, reversal pattern, something like that. I think that is very important. Okay, across time frame you can do candlestick math. Okay, here was the understanding a special explanation. Space bump. Okay, this is also very important. Okay, the opposite force. Look at, if you see the shooting star, but the next candle will go bullish. What happened? This is related to this kind of axis. Okay, because this kind of shooting star will have to, okay, in our theory that is around there, that feeding us, okay, it always like this, but actually it can be like this. Okay, this can be bullish here, the next candlestick. Why? Because of this axis. Something here is pulling the price, the pull and the push. Okay, that is the axis. Anyway guys, if you want to do this kind of stuff, okay, $60, that is not so much money. If you want to do the Patreon, I think I just started this. I don't think too much about that, but if there are people, there will be the explanation. Okay, thank you guys. I think that was this is something that I planned. The shape, sometimes we not have the shape, we do the different strategy. Okay, no shape, inverted bliss hammer. Anyway, we have to dynamic with the market. So I think this tips is helping you guys on how to become how to find the realistic way how to become consistently profitable trader. So see you in the next information.